What is up, y'all? We are back with yet another video today, courtesy of, or dedicated towards, Hector's Corolla. So this is the first time that I'm actually gonna see the car in person. His car is like, I think his car is like Wreckfest Dance Nation type, like ready. He recently got a new wrap. I haven't seen it in person. I've seen pictures all over like social media, you know. But today is the day I'm actually gonna see it in person. Here we go, you guys. So we're pulling up right now, as you guys can see, Henry's dad's son and Hector's Corolla. Here you guys have it, Hector's Corolla. It doesn't get any cleaner than that. This car is definitely one for the books. I'm not even gonna lie. But reason we're out here today, you already know. He got some seats we're gonna get to installing. Original seats are already off, so harness bar is about to get mounted. We do have to run to Home Depot real quick, so quick Home Depot run. So we had to make a quick trip to Home Depot and get some new bolts. Original ones weren't cutting it, so here we are to grab some washers. Hector's right there, the man himself. Time to head back. Okay, we're back now. As you guys can see, the original seats and the new ones, fabricated by Henry himself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Natives all the way.
Yes, sir. Native way.
So let's get to it. Quick unboxing and see what we got in store for the Corolla today. Y'all guessed it. Some seats. Sácala, sácala. Sheesh. These are clean. BRAUM, sponsor us. So these are the seats. BRAUM's two-tone red leather with black stitched leather. I'm excited to see how these pop inside. Okay, harness bar is on. As you guys saw, we took out the B-pillars. Henry is measuring and cutting them at the moment.
Yes, sir.
To make way for the actual harness bar to have some free play and get a clean, flush look. Apart from that, the harness bars are in. As you guys can see, we're running BRAUM harnesses. Seats are out. Seats are on the side. We had to run to Home Depot to grab some extra bolts because the original ones weren't cutting it. Therefore, we had to go get some extra hardware. For the most part, I'd say we're about 1/3 of the way there. This thing's about to like sick inside. Once the seats are in and we have the harness bars and harnesses through the seats and all set up, I'll give you guys a perspective on how it looks from the driver's seat, the passenger seat, but also from the outside. And hopefully also get some rolling action shots of how this looks from the outside. Quick perspective from the passenger side. Professionals at work, professionals at work. So we're currently cutting, so we cut the B-pillar to have a flush, clean look from the inside. We didn't want to delete the whole pillar, therefore, you know, we made measurements, we cut. Now we gotta test fit it. Okay, so the pillars are on. As you guys can see, we had to make some cuts to get that. So we had to make some cuts into the B-pillar just to get a cleaner, flush look. I think it came out smooth. Next things next is to clean up the carpet. Hit up Henry for any interior detailing that you need. Yes. He's got his one-of-one broom on hand. Tap in. Special pricing for those that use the link down below. Discount code. He said if it's a female driver, it's for free, so tap in if you want your interior clean. Look at that service. Provided by yours truly, Henry. So the other interior mod that we're doing are these diamond quilted leather floor mats. These are definitely gonna change up the car. I do recommend them. I run them on my Q50. It gives it that extra like luxurious look, I would say, a little touch to the interior. Plus it helps keep the car clean because anything that falls here is easily just wiped up and then tossed out rather than having it fall on the carpet. We're doing the front and the back. So his interior is primarily going to be made up of red leather. Should tie the interior together well. So next thing's next, the driver's side floor mat. I'm gonna go grab the passenger so we can get this in and then move on to the seats. Henry with interior design. Tap in. God damn. Hector, a ver, tu opinión.
No, gracias a Henry que me dio la idea de las carpetas. Gracias, Colocho.
Sheesh.
Authentic.Alexndr.
Yes, sir. This thing makes a huge difference. These are nice. Only thing left is to slap on the seats and then get a full interior review of how the car is looking. It's coming along. Sheesh. As you guys know, the harness bar is on now. Hector is very excited. Very excited. As am I. Sheesh, my bad. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, passenger seat is going in. We just gotta line it up with the actual holes in the back. Okay, so that one's pretty lined up right there. So there's one right there.
¿Grandes o pequeños?
Pequeño. There. Henry's addressing the third one. So that's the third one that needs to be addressed, and then the fourth one will be right here. Thank you, sir. Let's get to it. All right, rear bolt. Okay, we are snug in the rear. All we gotta do now is just slide the seat back and adjust the front ones. 17mm. Yep, just like that. Passenger seat is in. All we gotta do is now just adjust it to his likings, and next things next is the driver's side. Let's do it. I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty fun project. Interior work is always something that I like to address. I mean, look at that. Harnesses, the seat. It's coming along. It's coming along. Quick interior look with the passenger seat in. We still gotta recline it back, but for the most part, and I do need to slide the harnesses through the bucket seat. So let me do that right now so I can give you guys a glimpse of how that's looking. Let's check this out real quick. So, grab your harness and you're gonna slide it through like so. Do the same thing on the other side. And then test fit it. We are ready for takeoff. No, pues sí, pero desde atrás, ¿no?
También trae de aquí.
Tuner.
De aquí hay que ajustarlo bastante.
Making some fine adjustments. Final tweaks to the harnesses. Cool. Please keep hands and feet inside the vehicle at all time. We're prepared for Six Flags roller coaster.
Mi pequeño Calvin.
The roller coaster. Now the driver's side seat goes in. Inside point of view as we prepare to install the driver's side seat. Once in, we just align it, snug up the bolts, and we should pretty much be done. Then we'll go from there. Snug it up, line it up, and then get the hardware, and we'll bolt it down. Okay, so rear bolts are on, front ones are on. Tap in for Henry's interior designs. As you guys can tell, we got both seats in. This one's already ready with the straps. We just have to slide these through.
A ver, cuando me pregunta que qué hacen estos dedos. Uy.
Whoa, tap in. I'm gonna drop his Instagram down below.
Tap in.
Yes, sir. It's like a roller coaster in here. Like you grab on here and you go for the ride. And just like that, seats are in. Ow. Oh, true. So this seat has the harnesses. Only thing left is to strap those down and slide them through. So let's get onto that. Slide these through. And just like that, seats, harness bar, harnesses, and leather carpet is on. So just like that, the install is complete. Hector officially has racing bucket seats. A ver, unas palabras.
Nada, gracias a usted.
Yes. He now owes us boba.
Vale. Esto va para todos.
For natives, diles. For natives. Hey. Shout out to Henry.
Natives way.
Natives way. You know how we do it here. This is the only proper way of doing it here in the city. Show out, showcase what we got, and get ready for the upcoming shows. So quick walk around of the car. Front lip and splitter, 3-piece wheels, side skirts and extensions, polarized tint, of course the leather interior, the floor mats, the new BRAUM seats, as well as the harnesses and the BRAUM harness bar. He does say he's planning on upgrading the steering wheel to a carbon fiber one in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Canary yellow vinyl wrap, and one of my favorite modifications, the natives banner representing. That's how we do it out here. But that's Hector's Corolla. And then we got Henry, who lowered it yesterday and did a front bumper delete because he's a true tuner.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's coming along. Roof rack. Piece by piece, we're getting there. Quick test drive for Hector real quick with the new seats. See how he's liking it. There he goes. A free man to go find himself a Toxica. So there you guys have it. Seats, harness bar, harnesses, and carpet are on the Corolla. Super ecstatic to be a part of the build. Like always, you know, we're always here to help, lend a hand. It's coming along. Hopefully we can get into clean culture. I'm pretty sure he's registered for it. If we do make it out there, do stay tuned to see what cars make it out there. Other than that, shout out to the team, shout out to the gang. Natives way, as Henry says. And like always, like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic. Peace.